Hello silly bakers, let's make Blueberry Lemon Power Pancakes. First, we're going to grease an 8x8 baking pan. And we're going to add most of the ingredients in a blender. So we're going to grab our NutriBullet here, and we're going to add half a cup of cottage cheese. We're using all egg whites today, but normally would be 1 egg plus a third a cup of egg whites. This is a third a cup of egg whites plus an extra 3 tablespoons of egg whites. Half a scoop of vanilla whey protein powder. Any protein powder will work. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Pinch of salt. We're going to add the zest of half of a lemon. And we're going to add the juice of about half a tablespoon of lemon. We're adding a 1/4 cup of oats or oat flour, 1/4 cup of almond flour. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ground flax, plus I would also add an extra tablespoon of chia seeds, but I ran out. And we're going to blend for about a minute or so until it's nice and smooth. We're going to grab our greased baking pan and we're going to add our batter. We're going to add about half a cup of frozen blueberries. Fresh or frozen will work here. You can use any berries, combination of berries. I just love lemon and blueberry together. And we're ready to bake. 400 for 20 to 25 minutes until there's no jiggle in the center, or you can use a toothpick and ensure that it comes out clean. Enjoy our Blueberry Lemon Power Pancakes. This recipe makes 2 servings. Each serving is approximately 300 calories at about 25 grams of protein and about 7 grams of fiber. It is great for meal prep, it is great for breakfast, great for post-workout. It's a really phenomenal, versatile recipe. I hope you guys really enjoy this one and give it a try. It's so good.